Hello student. Today we discuss about the chapter 3 Ahimsa Paramo Dharma. But before that we discuss about the previous homework. Choose the correct answer. Here each question have three options. See one by one. First, how best can you motivate your team when they make a mistake? Option A, tell the team that mistakes are a part of life to err is human, but the important thing is to learn from the mistakes so as to not repeat them. B option, inform the team members that mistakes are not acceptable. C, only one mistake is allowed, but option A is correct. Okay, tell the team that mistakes are a part of life, but the important thing is to learn from the mistakes as so as to not repeat them. Question number 2, which is an effective way to exhibit teamwork? Here three options. First option, show partiality among the team members. Try to resolve any issue between team members and promote a healthy united team. C, do not maintain transparency in the team. Option B is correct. Try to resolve any issue between team members and promote a healthy united team. Question number 3, what is the importance of the trust factor in a team? Here you have seen the three options, but team option A is correct. Trust in the parameter for success in a team, since all members of a team are working towards a common goal. It is essential that there be mutual trust and respect among them. Next, fourth question, as a team leader, what would you discuss on priority during a team meeting? When observe these three options, option B is correct. The most important agenda of a team meeting is to discuss the goal and how best to work toward achieving it. Next question, what would you be your commitment towards ensuring a productive team? Here we see here three options, but C option is correct. Total dedication towards the team's goal. Okay. Ahimsa, Ahimsa Paramo Dharma. Ahimsa Paramo Dharma is a Sanskrit phrase that was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi. Loosely translated, here Ahimsa means non-violence, Paramo means supreme or topmost, and Dharma means duty. Ahimsa is the opposite of aggression, which is a more general type of hostile behavior, verbal, physical, or passive in a nature. The opposite of ahimsa is himsa, meaning causing harm or violence. Ahimsa uphold the doctrine of all life being sacred. In order to create a peaceful world, we must learn to practice non-violence with one another in our day-to-day interactions. Here some I take some points here, only 4 points here, and we discuss about one by one. First point is harmony. Harmony means a state of agreement or a peaceful existence together. We must try to live in a peace and harmony with ourselves and those around us. Okay, we live in harmony and peaceful atmosphere. Next topic, respect. The feeling that you have value, admire, or have a high opinion of somebody or something. We should respect other people's cultures and values. Always respect to other people and cultures and values. Study the quality of being generous. Someone showing generosity is happy to give time, money, food, or kindness to people in need. Next topic is forgiveness. Means he begged for, he or she, he begged for forgiveness for what he had done. Forgiveness is for our own growth and happiness. When we hold on to hurt, pain, resentment, and anger, it harms us far more than the offered forgiveness frees us to live in the present. Here you can see, I repeat again, ahimsa paramo dharma, and ahimsa means non-violence, paramo means supreme or topmost, dharma means duty. Okay, always follow this rule, ahimsa paramo dharma. In this chapter we have discussed about the ahimsa paramo dharma. On the basis of this lesson, you solved the true false, write T for true and F for false against the statement. 5 true false here given, see one by one. First, verbal abuse is not a form of domestic violence. This statement true or false, you solve. 2. Physical abuse amount to violence. True or false, you solve it. Third, being helpful results in violence. You solve it again, true or false, this statement true or false. Fourth number, sometimes media instigates violence. True or false, guess. And fifth number, incorrect parental supervision may result in violent acts by a child. These 5 true false, you solve it on the basis of this lesson and write in copy in proper way, and always follow ahimsa paramo dharma.